Is your Intel graphics performance not up to par? Watch our latest video for a hassle-free guide on updating Intel graphics DCH drivers in Windows 11 or 10. We will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you get the latest enhancements and bug fixes. Stay on top of your graphics game and optimize your system for the best visual experience. Step 1. Open Device Manager. Step 2. Expand display adapters and right-click on Intel Graphics. Step 3. Select Update Driver. Step 4. Choose Search automatically for updated driver software. Step 5. If not found, visit the Intel website. Step 6. Locate and download the latest DCH driver for your graphics. Step 7. Install the downloaded driver. Step 8. Follow on-screen instructions to complete the update. Step 9. Restart your computer for changes to take effect.